the current volume profile indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying a volume profile histogram on the price chart. Traders can also use the current volume profile indicator to analyze the volume profile range based on the latest candlestick, identify the area with the highest volume according to the histogram, and conduct the on-market analysis based on the POC, point of control line. In this section, currently this area has had the highest trading volume throughout the day, and the point of control line is displayed here, indicating the area with the greatest trading volume. We can use these high volume areas as support or resistance zones in the market. In the settings section, under the input tab, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can set the calculation time frame, which can be based on the current time frame or any period from 1 minute to 1 month that we can specify here. By default, it is set to the daily time frame, meaning the volume profile it calculates for us is based on the daily time frame, and the time frame we select should be shorter than the daily time frame. If the chart's time frame is longer than our calculation time frame, it will not display the calculations correctly for us. Or, if we select the calculation time frame, it will only place a single point of control line on the calculation candle. In the next section, there is the shift option, which by default is set to 0 or the current candle. This means the volume profile it calculates is based on the current candle. The higher we set this value, the further it moves toward previous candles and starts calculating based on those past candles. For example, if I set it to 3, the volume profile it displays for me is based on the previous 3 candles, meaning the volume profile shown here is based on my 3rd candle. In the next section, there is the number of volume profile bars option, where we can set the number of volume profile bars. By default, it's set to 100, but we can increase or decrease this value. In the following section, there is the volume profile display scale, which determines the size of the volume profile histogram bars for us. For example, if I set it to 0.1, it will make the bars shorter for me. In the next section, I can change the color of the bars to any color I want, or select the color of the point of control line as I prefer. And in the last section, I can choose how the volume profile histogram is displayed, either based on the last candle or the last day. If we set it to the last candle mode, it will display on the most recent candle in today's daily time frame. However, if we set it to the last day mode, it will show the last candle from yesterday, where the closing time of yesterday's candle was at this point, and it will display the volume profile here for us. Well friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.